Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate on Instagram posts. So, an Instagram collaborator is an account that is invited to co-author a post with another account. Collaborations can help you increase reach and engagement and build communities. So, this collab feature usually is an advantage to an influencer or celebrities who collab with a brand to promote their products. And to create a collaborative post, this is what you are going to do. First, let's just launch the Instagram app. And now you can just tap on the create by clicking on this plus button at the bottom of your Instagram screen and choose the post options, this one. Then you can just select the post that you want to upload. For example, in here I'm going to upload an image, this image right here. Now you can just tap on next at the top. Okay, you can edit the post to how you like it by adding a music or maybe adding some text or everything. So for example, I'm going to add a music to my post. You can tap on check icon and now you can tap on next. So this is where you can add the collaborator or invite the collaborators. You can just write the captions first, and then here you can scroll down until you find this tag people. You can tap on that, and in here tap on this invite collaborators. So inviting collaborators, you can reach more viewers by inviting collaborators to your post. If they accept, your post will be shared with their followers. If they have a public account, it will also be shared publicly. This doesn't affect your account privacy, which is private. So you can just tap on invite. Now you can just type in the usernames, the one that you want to invite as a collaborator. For example, this person right here. Now you can just click on the check icon at the top, and now you can just tap on share. Then your collaborative post will be shared, and I'm going to show you how it will look like as a collaborative post. But I only have reels, but I'm going to show you anyway. You can just see in here the collaborative post will go like this. So it will show both the uh usernames of the collaborative posts. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.